In that great space, when the heavenly bodies tumbled and collided, a new chapter of world drama and brutality emerged that surprised the world. As we stood on the precipice of a cosmic storm, the sun, our life-saving star, presented us with a celestial view unlike any other. It's not just a light dance, but an incredible energy that rises from the heart of our solar system to touch every corner of our planet. The events of 2024 will test human resilience and our ability to navigate the complex dance between technology and the unpredictable nature of the space climate. What lies ahead is a story of strength, uncertainty, and terror. At the end of spring to summer in 2024, the sun will begin to show signs of instability. Two solar eclipses, AR3664 and AR3697, have become a topic of interest for scientists and observers. These craters are large, turbulent regions of intense magnetic activity, ready to release streams of charged particles that impact the Earth with unprecedented force. The Sun's magnetic field, revealed by solar flares, is about to bring a new energy level to the atmosphere of space. The story begins with AR3664, a place so massive that our planet will be overturned by a factor of 15. Its appearance was not only alarming, but the beginning of a series of solar events that sent waves through space and disrupted life on Earth. On May 9, 2024, NOAA's GOES-16 satellite observed a solar flare at 2200 hours Universal Time Coordinated. The explosion of particles from AR3664 set the stage for a geomagnetic storm of massive magnitude. The Sun, in its fury, was about to show its full strength. As AR3664's flare moves toward Earth, scientists issue a G4 geomagnetic storm alert. A G4 classification, on the NOAA geomagnetic storm scale, indicates a severe storm with the potential for severe disturbance. The storm is almost here, and the northern lights dance across the European sky with colors that cannot be seen. The night sky turned into a brilliant blood red, green and blue, leaving the onlookers in awe and worry. Although these displays are impressive to look at, they are a sign of the chaos that is clinging to planet Earth. The storm will increase in intensity over the next few days. On May 10, 2024, AR3664 launched another powerful flare, this time of class X5.8. The impact of the fire was felt around the world, causing disruptions to power supply and communication systems. The North Pole is still awe-inspiring, but the underwater waves are more terrifying than the natural light show. The Earth's magnetic field, under the pressure of a solar storm, begins to show signs of weakness and regional disturbances. As May progressed, the intensity of the solar storm did not decrease. By May 11, 2024, geologists have documented an uneven pressure on the Earth's magnetic field. The Sun's particles hit the atmosphere and show weak spots and local holes in the magnetic field. The results are very bad. Continued damage to the Earth's magnetic field could expose us to increased radiation levels with potentially catastrophic consequences, including the loss of an atmosphere similar to the loss of Mars. The world watched with bated breath as the situation unfolded. Solar storms have caused major problems, with some regional power providers reporting problems and outages. However, the flexibility of new technologies was also demonstrated. Elon Musk's SpaceX satellites have been able to operate in the Sun, showing the power of new space infrastructure in the face of problems. Although this event was important, it did not cause any problems in the world. It was a lucky result of the great work of the day. When the world is in turmoil after these solar storms, AR3664 undergoes a major transformation. Instead of fading, the solar eclipse becomes AR3697, a name that will soon return. The nature of energy. The appearance of AR3664, now designated as AR3697, ushered in a new wave of solar activity. On May 27, 2024, AR3697 emitted a X2.8 flare, followed by another X1.4 flare just 1 week later. These events also caused geomagnetic disturbances and disrupted global communications systems, including shortwave radio transmission and emergency communications networks. AR3697's powerful flares not only lit up the sky with auroras, but caused disturbances in Earth's systems. This influence extended to deep-sea compass systems and ocean information, showing the great influence of solar activity on land and sea technology. The world needs to know that solar storms of this magnitude can affect our technological infrastructure. To understand the importance of these events, it is important to understand the science of the day. Solar dwarfs, such as AR3664 and AR3697, are areas of strong magnetic activity on the Sun's surface. These bulges are caused by the strong excitation of the Sun's magnetic field, caused by the movement of electric plasma inside the Sun. When these magnetic fields break the surface of the Sun, they create areas that are colder and darker than their surroundings. These are the areas we see on Earth. The phenomena of solar flares and coronal mass ejections, CMEs, are directly related to corals. A solar flare is a burst of energy caused by the rapid release of magnetic energy from rotating magnetic fields. These flames emit energetic particles and radiation. CMEs are large bubbles of plasma and magnetic fields that form in the Sun's corona. When these CMEs collide with the Earth's magnetic field, they can create geomagnetic storms that disrupt electrical, satellite, and navigational systems. The current solar cycle, known as Solar Cycle 25, began in December 2019 and is expected to last 11 years. We are still at the beginning of this cycle, and we hope to reach a peak in 2025. The strong solar activity seen in 2024 indicates high levels of activity that will continue as the peak of the solar cycle approaches. The wildfires and severe storms we've seen this year are just the beginning of what's to come. As AR3664 evolves into AR3697 and continues to do so, scientists and researchers are watching. The behavior of the Sun energy is still important for solar events and preparing for future solar storms. The experiences of May 2024 are a reminder of the incredible power of the Sun and the need to remain vigilant in protecting our technological infrastructure. The solar storms of 2024 are a reminder of our vulnerability to global forces. As humans continue to explore and expand their technological capabilities, we also need to be aware of the dangers that come from working with the Sun. This year's events have highlighted the strengths and weaknesses of our systems, and emphasized the importance of preparation and adaptation. Looking to the future, space exploration and our understanding of the solar system will play an important role in mitigating the effects of future solar storms. By studying solar behavior and developing robust technologies, we can better protect ourselves from the unpredictable nature of space weather. The global drama of 2024 is both cautionary and inspiring, reminding us of the wonders and challenges beyond our world. As we navigate this region of the world, our spirit of exploration and resilience will guide us through the storms ahead.